Hello, I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard to be in a different language. In this case, it's going to be in French. So you're going to come here to System Preferences, and it should open up to look like this. And you're going to come over here to Keyboard, click on Keyboard, and then on this bar right here, you'll click Input Sources, and this is our keyboard right now. It's US standard American keyboard, QWERTY keyboard, and you'll come to this plus. You'll click the plus, and then this shows you all the different languages that it can be in. We'll just search right here for French, and now it shows us that we can have a Canadian French keyboard, a French keyboard, and these other ones. So we want a French keyboard. Click that and then click Add. And now our French keyboard is added, and you can come up here to the top right of your screen, and where the American flag is, you'll come click down and click French, and that will change your keyboard to be French. And let's check it. And there you go. Yep, French keyboard. Voila. Au revoir.